Your money's new home, the checking account. A checking account is a safe place to keep your money. It's like a central hub for your finances. You can access your money easily. You can use it for various transactions. This includes paying bills, making purchases, and receiving deposits. Think of it like your wallet, but better. It's more secure than carrying cash. Plus, it offers convenient ways to manage your money. With a checking account, you get a debit card. This card is linked directly to your account. Use it to pay for things at stores or online. No need to carry large amounts of cash. Ready to take control of your finances? Let's explore how a checking account can work for you. Why is having a checking account so important? It simplifies your financial life. Here's how. Convenience. Pay bills online or set up automatic payments. No more rushing to mail checks on time. Security. Your money is protected from loss or theft. Say goodbye to carrying large sums of cash. Budgeting. Track your income and expenses easily. See where your money is going each month. Financial history. A checking account helps you build a positive credit history. This is crucial for loans or credit cards in the future. Without a checking account, managing your money can be a hassle. You might rely on costly check cashing services or money orders. These can drain your hard-earned money. A checking account is a smart financial move for everyone. Not all checking accounts are created equal. Banks offer different types to suit various needs. Basic checking, a simple, no-frills account. It's perfect for everyday transactions. Interest-bearing checking, earn a small amount of interest on your balance. It's a way to make your money grow while still having easy access to it. Student checking, designed for students with special perks and low fees. It's ideal for those new to banking. Senior checking offers benefits for seniors, such as discounts and waived fees. It caters to specific financial needs. Consider your financial habits and requirements. Do you write a lot of checks? Do you prefer online banking? Choosing the right type of account can save you money and make your life easier. Section 4. Picking the right bank. Choosing a bank is a personal decision. It's important to find one that aligns with your needs. Here are some factors to consider. Asterisk fees. Compare monthly fees, overdraft charges, and ATM fees. Look for banks with low or no fees. Asterisk convenience. Consider the bank's location, branch availability, and online banking features. Choose a bank that makes it easy for you to access your money. Asterisk customer service. Read reviews and ask for recommendations. Select a bank known for its friendly and helpful customer service. Don't be afraid to shop around and ask questions. Finding the right bank can make a big difference in your banking experience. Section 5. Opening your account. Opening a checking account is easier than you think. You can do it online or in person at a bank branch. Here's what you'll need. Valid government-issued ID. This could be your driver's license, state ID, or passport. Social security number. Banks require this for identification and tax purposes. Opening deposit. The amount varies depending on the bank and account type. 1. Visit the bank's website and find the checking account section. 1. Choose the account type that suits you best. 1. Fill out the online application form with your personal and financial information. 1. Provide your social security number and government-issued ID details. 1. Make your opening deposit electronically. 1. Review and submit your application. 1. Visit your chosen bank branch and speak to a customer service representative. 1. Provide the required documents and information. 1. Make your opening deposit in person. 1. Complete the application process with the representative's assistance. Once your application is approved, you'll receive your debit card and checks in the mail. Now you're ready to start managing your finances with ease. Section 6. Online banking. Your money, your way. Online banking puts you in control of your money 24/7. It's convenient, secure, and offers a range of features. 1. Visit your bank's website and look for the online banking login section. 1. Click on Enroll or Register to create your online banking profile. 1. Enter your account information, username and password. 1. Set up security questions and answers for account recovery. 1. Verify your identity through email or phone verification. Account balance and transaction history. Check your account balance, view recent transactions and download statements. Bill pay. Pay your bills online, set up recurring payments and manage payees. Mobile check deposit. Deposit checks using your smartphone's camera. Funds transfers. Transfer money between accounts or to other banks. Account alerts. Set up alerts for low balances, deposits or suspicious activity. Online banking makes managing your money easier and more efficient. Explore the features offered by your bank and simplify your financial life today.